Includes 155.5 wood coffee, tea, and beverage stirrers. Packaged in resealable packages of 150 wood stirrers. Main use. Great for stirring coffee, tea, and beverages. Other uses. Use for baking, cake pops, decorating, popsicles. Use for arts and crafts, school and science projects and more. Food safe. 100% natural wood, BPA-free. Dimensions. 5.50 length x 0.25 width x 0.04 depth. Every time you refill your coffee cup, you grab another spoon to stir in the creamer, honey, and other natural flavors. After a while you have a stack of spoons to wash. Make life easier for yourself by using these wood stirrers. They are disposable and will save you time. Wood stirrers are great to keep on hand for applying glue, stirring small containers of paint, for class projects, staking small houseplants, arts and crafts, and science fair projects. They do not contain BPA, so you know they are safe to use. Keep a supply on hand for multiple uses and for when company comes to visit. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for work and home. I really enjoy having these wooden stir sticks for work and at home. I am trying to move away from single-use plastic items, albeit slowly but surely. I've been using the wooden sticks and a coffee mug, rather than a plastic spoon or plastic stir straws and my mug from home. This is one of the ways that has helped me change a little bit at a time.